Hi, today I am doing B160. The common problem, transmissions visit workshop is showing on there, and if you diagnose it, and you can see the code is coming like 0718 and 0717. The RPM signal from component BY3/9B3 continuous variable transmission range automatic transmissions, primary RPM sensor not available. The common problem of these car is like these two code is coming, and rest of that other code is coming, but it depend on the fault. So this car is coming to fault. We can fix your fault, and the normally we have to take it out and repair it and put back, and we'll give you warranty on there. And it's gonna be ready, like if you bring the car to us, the car will be ready in 3 to 4 hours. Or you will bring the ECU, we can repair the ECU in 1.5 hours. So it depends on you. It's better you can bring the car, take a cup of coffee, and car will be ready in 3 to 4 hours. So this is the common problem, 0718 0717. We can fix your problem in same day. So you can call me. My phone number is 07402536 and my name is Terry. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow, and we can fix all type of the others code as well, 0722079307 So if you have any problem, we can fix your problem just like 1 to 3 hours. So you can contact me anytime. We are on WhatsApp, so we can fix your problem. You can see my other videos. We can fix your job in 100%. So you can come us, and without any headache you can call and book the appointment and come, and we'll do it. Okay, thank you, bye.